G'day everybody, my name is Jason. We're unboxing and putting together this Mighty Car Mods tool cabinet. So the legends over at Mighty Car Mods have made this tool cabinet available for limited time at Super Cheap Auto, so I decided to go pick one up because my old tool cabinet is very tiny and a bit rubbish. It's actually quite affordable for its size, coming in at 369 Australian dollars. So without any further ado, let's get to putting it together. Okay, so we get our keys, which we have here, and we're going to open up one of the doors, this top door, sorry. Ooh, nice padded foam down here, which is good. Unlock the drawers. Ooh, very nice. And we've got a bigger drawer down here for your bigger things. That is nice. Okay, now we're just going to the rolling part. putting it together, I've realised that this toolbox is absolutely huge. So I'm not going to fill it up all today because I just don't have enough tools. But for now, I can start storing my drills in there, which is what I'm going to do now. And at the moment, I'm thinking I might just chuck them in this slot here. It's probably going to change more as I use it more. But anyway, for the moment, a couple of Ryobi drills in there. She's starting to fill up. So I'll fill as much as I can now, and yeah, see how we go. There we go, that's how we put together this Mighty Car Mods tool chest. So to put this thing together, all I used was a 14mm socket for the wheels, but you could also use the spanner if you want to. Also a 10mm socket for the handlebar here, but you could also use a spanner if you want to. Now I haven't got many tools in here. I've got a socket set and a breaker bar here, along with some Ryobi drills and a router and some batteries, and a couple of angle grinder and a jigsaw down here. That's just because I don't have that many tools, which is now an excuse to go buy some more tools. And most of my other tools are hanging up in a cabinet over there. If you haven't seen that video, click on the little card up here because that's going to take you straight to it. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and also thank you to Mighty Car Mods for putting out this epic toolbox. If you like what you saw, make sure you click on these videos over here because they're going to take you to other videos on my channel. There's going to be one down here, I believe, which will be one to my channel where you click subscribe. Right, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. By the way, that was the new outro. What did you think of it? Let me know down in the comments.